I've heard many people asking about a spiral Betty and how to make them. I want to share with you this free and fast process of making your own spiral Betty, along with some tips and tricks along the way to help making your project successful. Let's get started.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's get started on making a spiral Betty. So that you want to type in your search engine, spiralbetty.com. And this is what you'll see. Then all you do is click on upload image, and you can do any types of image that you want. Photographs, clip arts, anything that your heart desires. So I'm gonna do this one. Click on open. Okay, so then once you have this, you can resize it. So this, you can make it bigger or smaller. This is the smallest it will go, which is exactly the way I'd like it. And you hit the check mark. And now what you can do is you can adjust this setting, and this will give you more or less details. Obviously this, you can't really tell what it is. And if you drag it all the way to here, you have way more details. But it also is a little bit more difficult to weed using your Cricut. So I found, when doing this, I found kind of a happy medium right in the middle where it has some good thick parts, some thinner parts, but I was actually very successful in producing this. The color really doesn't matter, but I'm going to go ahead and do black and white, but whatever works for you. Then all you do is click the download button and click on download, and you'll see it coming down here. Now you want to open your Cricut Design Space and open a new project and go to upload and upload image and browse. And mine is under Spiral Betty right here, and open. Then you want to, it looks a little bit funny, but then if you hit complex and continue, all you need to do is click one time and it is going to erase all of the white. And then click continue. Make sure you click cut image, not print then cut, and upload. And then you click that one and hit insert. And then all you do is you resize it to the size that you would like. I will caution, the smaller you print, the more difficult and thinner the lines are, so it is a little more difficult to weed. I did try to print a photograph as little as 6 inches, and I was not successful. Not to say it's not possible, but it didn't work for me. So I ended up printing mine around 10 inches here, and then you just go make it. And make sure you click on vinyl and let it go. It does take a little bit of time to print, longer than your average, but not like 30 minutes or anything, but it does take about 10 minutes or so to print the whole thing, depending on how intricate your design is. And then I'll show you how to weed, and that is it.
from?
I've heard many people asking.
Sorry.
Wait, in the clip.
I almost did the SOS thing. I held the power button down. I didn't know what was
Oh,
going on.